Good morning class. Today we are going to start our lesson 19 from the town to the village. What is the meaning of this? From the town to the village means a particular one boy, he lives in the town and he will tell his own journey from the town to the village, how it was. Okay, so please pay attention in your book. Keep finger on your book. I live in a town. Here one boy is telling about himself. I live in a town. Our is a small family. He is telling, I used to live in the town and my family is very small. There are houses, places and street around our house. And he is describing about the home which is in town. Okay? He is telling, beside my house, many houses are there, places are there and street around to his house. Ajit is my best friend. Now he is describing about his friend whose name is Ajit. He lives near my house and Ajit used to live near to that particular boy. In this chapter, I think his name is not mentioned. Okay. I want to play with him daily. I treat him my best neighbor as I like his company very much. And to Ajit, that particular boy, he used to play with him daily and he treat him as his best neighbor because he likes his company very much. Like you all means you are having friends. Some are the best friends. You like their company too much, to whom you can share everything. Correct? So like that only Ajit was also that boy's best friend. There are many families living around us. I play with other children of our neighbors also. And now that boy is describing about others' family also. Means he is telling that many families are living beside his house and he used to play with other children also. Means it is not like that he is playing with Ajit only. He used to play with other students also. My parents also visit the neighbors. And now he is explaining about his parent, that his parent also used to visit to the neighbors. The neighbors also visit us. And the neighbors, they are supposed to come to that particular boy's home. We help one another and join one another in happiness and sorrow. Thing is what? Neighborhood. Neighborhood plays a very important role in our life. If your neighborhood is good, you feel too much secure. And if you are having any problem, suppose at your home no one is there, you face any problem, to whom you will call? To your neighborhood, isn't it? So neighborhood plays a very important role in our life. If neighborhoods are very helpful to us. We help one another and join one another in happiness and sorrow. If something happiness, any birthday party or any marriage, you are inviting your neighbors. Your parents might be inviting your neighbors, correct? And if someone's any pain is there, any sorrow is there, automatically you are going and you are asking what happened auntie or what happened uncle. So like this we should be mingles with our neighborhoods. People belonging to different religions and speaking different languages live in our neighborhood. Now that boy is explaining that many people are living of different religion and they used to speak different languages. We live together peacefully and friendly. Peacefully मतलब शांति पूर्वक और friendly मतलब दोस्ती यानी कि मित्रता के साथ. We participate in their festivals and they participate in ours. So here now different religions they are living. They are Muslims, they are Christians, they are Hindus, they are Sikh. So you know that every religions they are having different festivals. So whenever these all festivals are going on, all are joining their festivals. We have among our neighbors Hindus, Sikhs, Muslims, Christians, etc. We have they celebrate different festivals like Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Baisakhi, Eid, Onam, Pongal, etc. Now you know, आपको ये पता है कि हर रिलीजियंस में अलग अलग त्यौहार मनाए जाते हैं, करेक्ट? तो उस पर्टिकुलर लड़के ने ये मतलब उस बच्चे ने ये डिस्क्राइब किया कि जो भी रिलीजियस मनाए जाते हैं हम लोग एज ए नेबर हर किसी के त्योहार में हम लोग भी खुशी खुशी शामिल होते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ गुड नेबरहुड क्वालिटी. ऐसा हमारे मन में बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए. नो आई बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम हिंदूज, नो आई विल नॉट गो टू द मुस्लिम्स. नो, वी शुड नॉट डू लाइक दैट. वी ऑल आर वन. ओके, गॉड इज वन. वी हैव गिवन द नेम different but God is one. Okay. Neighbor plays an important role in making each other's life happy and comfortable. नेबर जो होते हैं आपके लाइफ में ऐसा रोल प्ले करते हैं कि आपकी लाइफ को कंफर्टेबल और हैप्पी बना सकते हैं. नेबर हेल्प्स वन अनदर एंड दैट गिव्स एवरीवन अ सेंस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी. एंड द नेबर्स हु हेल्प्स वन अनदर, when they helps one another, what they gives everyone a sense of security. Means whenever you supposed to go somewhere and if at your home no one is there, what you are feeling? You are just giving an information to your neighborhood that जब भी आप कहीं बाहर जाते हैं आपकी पूरी फैमिली, तो आप क्या करते हो? अपने पड़ोसी से कहते हो ना कि अंकल चाहे भैया आप मेरा घर देखते रहिएगा, हम लोग कुछ दिन के बाद आएंगे. करेक्ट? इट हैपेंस ना? इट हैपेंस और नॉट? यस, इट हैपेंस. ओके. सो अ नेबरहुड प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन अवर लाइफ. इफ योर नेबरहुड इज गुड, you can feel, you can be relaxed, isn't it? Beside houses, there are many other important places in my neighborhood. And wherever you are living, beside your houses, many important places are there, like park, school, hospital, shops. But this boy, where he was living, he was having a park, a school, a market, a hospital, a post office, a police station, and a bank are the important places that exist not very far from my house. That particular boy, he is telling that to his house, from his house, this all places are very near, far, very far from his house. It is very far from his house.